Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to download or export your management reports in QuickBooks Online as docs file. So you can open it in your Microsoft Word. So it's gonna be very easy and simple step. You can log into your QuickBooks account and then you can navigate to the left side of your screen and go to reports. This one. And you can click on management reports here, click on it and then you will be in this page and you will see three reports. There are company overview, sales performance, and also the expenses performance. Now you can choose the file you want to download. I'm gonna choose maybe this one, sales performance, and you can choose the report period. It's up to you. I'm gonna choose this year, and you can preview it if you want. I'm gonna click this drop down and you can click export as doc file. So click on it. After that, you will be able to download the file. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.